Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here for a very quick Sephora haul. I got a brand new scent. It was actually delivered literally overnight. And this one is Ellis Brooklyn's new, but I just got the travel size. It's their Isla Serena by Ellis Brooklyn. This was $30 for the small one. That's plenty. Isla Serena Perfume, sunny, dreamy, and hypnotic. A first-class scent escape, Isla Serena Perfume is breathtaking, transportive, and joyful, with fresh notes of coconut water and lime balanced with creamy notes of blue Java banana, papaya, and vanilla. Isla Serena is your ticket to the luxury island life. So the full bottle, the 1.7 ounce, is $115. Ain't no way. This is 0.33 ounce. And it's $33. The top notes are blue Java banana, creamy papaya, and sea salt and lime. The mid is coconut water, vanilla orchid, ginger flower. Dry is vetiver, brown sugar, teak wood. So let's see. That is very strong in the lime note. It's a complex scent. I say that's unisex. That's very, I don't know how to, let me spray it on my skin. I do like it. That is definitely unique compared to all my other, it's definitely layerable too. So like all, Victoria's Secrets always, every year they have their Victoria's Secrets and Pink always have their new tropicals that they put out. Any of those are layerable. As well as Bath & Body Works put out their tropicals. Oh yeah, you can layer this with any of them. Especially that one that has a banana flower note in it. Which one is that? The Dreaming of Rio, I think. It smells good. So I would always suggest getting one of these. And then if you run through this, great. Buy the bigger one. But the bottles of these are very generic looking anyway. The big bottle, they're not like a beautiful bottle. But that's definitely a powerhouse scent. People are going to walk past you and be like, wow, what are you wearing? Because it's a very unique smell. You can smell the salt. You can, that banana. I don't know what blue Java banana is or papaya, whatever banana. But that is it is a tropical scent. I do like it. It's very unique. I like to smell different. I like to have, well, now everybody is going to have it because it's all over social media. I don't stand by brands much at all. Now I stand by Latafa, like the Arabic brands, because you get a big ass bottle of an Arabic perfume for $33. I mean, come on. $33? It was one of those really unique scents with those notes. And I'm like, curiosity killed it, for me. But yeah, it's a great one. Would I suggest you go out and spend $115 on it, blind buying it? Absolutely. Don't do that. Don't do that. But I do think you should go to the store, smell it at Sephora. They'll have it in store eventually. Not yet though. But I wanted to get on here and tell you what I thought about it before it got to stores. So I like it. And I would say just pick up the travel size if you like it. You know what I mean? Because you're still spending $33 on this tiny, tiny little thing. But yes, it does smell good. I really do like it. It's strong. It's got that payoff. I'm going to keep smelling it for a minute because the dry down, it hasn't gotten to that point yet. So yeah, but thank you guys for being here for that. Again, this is Ellis Brooklyn Isla Serena. Yeah, it's a good scent. They do good on all of their scents. Their banana milkshake is to die for. Get your hands on that one. That's a good one. If you like banana. And also, by the way, I have some banana ones, some Middle Eastern banana ones that are coming in that I'm going to review. We're going to review them together. And I'm going to tell you what I think of them. But anyway, thank you guys. I love you very much. This is my new merch hat. They're going to be in all different colors, but they're embroidered. It's a beautiful hat. They'll probably, I'm guessing around 25 bucks. That'll cover shipping cost. I'll let you know when they're up. I have 3 more of the pink, but the black and the white ones are not in yet. I have a white female one and the white and black male hats. So yeah, I'm excited. But I do want to add the word tribe to the side in the globe because represent all the nations that watch my channel, my tribe. You guys are my tribe, and I love you. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.